Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to repair an induction cooker. We are going step by step. This is the induction cooker. This is the induction cooker, as you can see. So we have, before you do anything, you first test the fuse on this top plug. The fuse in this top plug to see if it's okay, because the induction cooker won't go on. So we test the fuse first. The fuse is in here. So we are going to use this continuity tester. This is our continuity tester. So we test the fuse, the head to the end, and as you can see, the fuse is okay. So this means the fuse is okay, and now we are going to open the inside part. So first we return the cover of the top plug, because we don't see any fault there. So the screws are all round. So we'll open each of them for us to be able, or to enable us open the back cover. As you can see, it's very simple. You just open the screws and then you open the cover. I think we have opened all of them, and this one. So I think we have removed all of them. So now this cover can be opened, and when opening you must be careful. There is a clip you have to unclip here. You have to disconnect this a small piece here. This you have to disconnect. It's the controller, so that you don't spoil it. So this is the inside of the induction cooker. This brown, or rather golden part, this golden part here is what heats the cooking pot using magnetism, and it doesn't use just any cooking pot. The cooking pot must be magnetic. Yes, so we have to check another fuse which is in here. It has another fuse here, so we are going to test this fuse to see if it has blown. Using our, as you can see, it has blown. It has blown. It has blown. So we are going to change this fuse. And before you change this fuse, you have to know why there was a short, or why it blew. You don't just go around changing fuses without knowing what made them blow. So you remove this top cover again to give you ample time to look for the problem. You look for working space. So again, you disconnect these clips. This one you disconnect, the one that goes, because you cannot test when it's connected. The meter will lie to you, so you have to disconnect, and then you have to disconnect one side of this that goes to this coil. So you have to pull it like that. Disconnect one. Disconnect one. There won't be any error. So you just measure this part here, and it will go on if there is no short. Yes, now you can see it's now on. You can see here, just see when it goes on like that, there is no short. So we will just replace the fuse and everything will be okay. It is as simple as that. And remember to look for the same size of fuse. After replacing the fuse, now you return this clip here. Return this clip here to where it belongs. And then this clip again we return here, the one we removed, so that we could test. Like that. And then you return these small screws, the one that holds the circuit board. This one is called a heat sink. Like this. Then you have one here. Then you return this other clip here, this one. We disconnected for us to test. So after doing that, you return this to its place so that we can test it. This one heats food through magnetism. So we are going to try. Here we see if this place goes on. But before that, it's okay, we'll try without the knob. So you just test here. You can see it's working. It's working. You can even see the fan here. When you put on, that shows you it's okay. It's now okay. Like and subscribe for you to watch other videos. Thank you.